Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And today is very special because today is the first Friday of this month. Today is NFP day. So gold edges higher on tariff fears. Gold set for six successive weekly gain. US jobs data in focus. So market is waiting for the NFP. So this is the economic calendar. You can see that apart from NFP, we also have news coming up on CAD. So if you love to trade on CAD pairs, so you need to be careful. But my dear friends, be careful at the time of the news because NFP, CPI, these are major events and they bring a lot of volatility to the market. Especially if you're a beginner, new trader, try to avoid trading at a time of news. Just observe the market to gain some experience because I have received many emails, messages where people have lost humongous money in the last couple of days because they were holding sell position on gold. And we all know gold was not bullish, gold was super bullish. So my dear friend, following the trend of the market is extremely important. So after the NFP, okay, after the NFP, if you see that there is a sudden drop in the market, then try to follow the trend of the market. If you see that suddenly there is an upside in the market, gold is bullish again, gold is going above 2900, follow the trend of the market because when news dominates, technical, the levels, they do not work. That's a bitter reality. And before a major event like NFP, CPI, the trading opportunities are also limited. So before NFP, if you don't get any proper trading opportunity, do not trade forcefully. You are a trader, not a gambler. So this is the hourly chart of DXY, US dollar index in front of us, and dollar index is already flat. And we can expect that dollar will remain like this till NFP, and we can expect a silent market. If you look at the news, then we can see dollar muted ahead of monthly jobs report. So before NFP, we can expect the dollar index to remain like this. So you can see that last month the number was around 256K, and this month they are expecting 170K jobs. So if there is a big difference between 170, okay, then we can expect that there will be some trending market. Okay. Because I know that many people will be asking me in the comment section, Avilas, what do you think, gold will go up or down after NFP? To be honest, I don't know, and I believe that nobody can predict the market, what will happen after news. But in the last few years, what I have observed is that okay, whenever there is a big difference between the expected number and the actual number, then we get a trend. For example, market is expecting 170K jobs. Okay, if the number is, let's say, around 200K jobs, or let's say the number is 120K jobs, then you will see a trending market. For example, the number comes around 110K, 120K, then you will see that dollar is dropping, DXY going down, gold going up. Market is expecting 170K jobs. If the number is around 200K, or let's say 230K, then there's a huge difference between the actual number and the expected number. Then you will see dollars going up, gold going down. So whenever there's a big difference, then you can expect a trending market. But if you see that there is not much difference between the expected number and the actual number, expected number was 170K, number came around 160, 180. So whenever there's a less difference, then most of the time we see spikes in the market. It doesn't matter whether the data is positive or negative. News time means manipulation time. So high market manipulation takes place at the time of news. So if there is not much difference in between the expected number and the actual number, do not expect a reduction in the market. If market meets the expectation also, there's a high chance that already the market makers have made the profit and you will just see spikes in the market because market makers have already taken the position and they just book their profit when the news comes out. At the time of news, mostly retailers jump and lose the money. That's a bitter reality. Okay. So before the NFP, okay, before the NFP, if market drops, then we can look for support around two levels. Okay, for example, 2830 2820. Remember the level that we discussed a couple of times? Yes, this support is still very much valid. Okay, before NFP, if market drops, we can look for support around this area. After NFP, for example, dollar starts flying, gold starts dropping, this level will not work. But before NFP, we can expect a good bounce. But looking at the present market condition, chances of gold hitting 283020 is very less, isn't it? Yes. So before NFP, we can also look for support around 2850, 2852 area. Why? Because see, the small level, okay, the small resistance will be working as the support here. And in this condition where we do not have much volume in the market, we can definitely expect gold to take support around 50-52 area. So if before NFP, if market takes support, we can go for buy position. So these are the two levels where we can look for a bounce before NFP. After NFP, no levels, just follow the trend of the market. Okay. And if market doesn't come down, if you see gold going up, especially during the European session, because right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session and we have very less volume. So in the European session, if you see gold going up, we can look for a buy above 2874 area. Okay, we can go for a buy above 2874 area for a target of 60 to 70 pips, because the previous high of 2882 is still valid. And to be honest, before NFP, chances of gold going above 2882 is very less. After NFP, if it starts flying, well and good, but before NFP, chances are very less. But during the European session, if you see gold going above 2874 area, you can look for a buy. Do not go big, okay, because volume is less right now. So you can just go with a small lot size. For example, if your ideal lot size is 0.2, then you can go with 0.1. If your ideal lot size is 0.5, you can go with 0.2 or something like that. But after NFP, please try to follow the trend of the market, because see, the trend of the market was extremely bullish, okay, and gold was in correction for the last couple of days, okay, for 1 or 2 days, okay, not couple of days, 1 or 2 days. Today we can see that gold is no longer forming lower lows and lower highs. Remember yesterday I told you guys that if gold takes support on 2850, then the next support will not work. So we saw that when gold came to this second support of 2844, as per our expectation, it did not work because the market structure was bearish. Okay, but today we can see the market structure has changed again, means the correction on gold is over. We can see gold is no longer forming lower lows, and rather gold is clearly showing that the correction is over. Okay, but still gold is standing at record high. Technical retracement correction is due. So I personally believe that there is a 65% chance of gold coming down after NFP, because um, technically, okay, market is standing at a record high. We don't have any proper correction. Okay, a retracement should come. So there is, but do not go for the position right now. Okay, so let's wait and watch how does the number comes. So again, I requesting, many of you have already lost a huge amount of money already. Please do not gamble. Okay, if you fail to understand the trend of the market after news, no need to trade, because market will give you plenty of opportunities next week. Okay, so be careful. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.